Hey guys, Tony Pellegrino here from GenRight Off-Road, and I've got some good news for you. About a year ago, we decided not to sell through four-wheel parts or Northridge 4x4, but sell direct or through our authorized dealer network. There's been a big misunderstanding in the market that we have discontinued or otherwise some of our products. Absolutely not. In fact, we're making more than ever, including brand new parts for the new Jeep JL, but we still do JK, TJ, LJ, YJ, and CJ parts. We've got plenty of inventory that is available for immediate delivery. We still make all of your favorite parts: gas tanks, roll cages, bumpers, fenders, corners, rockers. We've got so many of the products that you guys want right here on hand for immediate delivery.